Here's the Nikon P1000, and every time I capture a video it is making me wait 3 seconds. So I press the button, the red one, and it's counting down the upper left corner, and now it's recording. So how to stop that thing and record right away. You can see the 3 here in the upper left corner. There, now it's visible. Well, press the left arrow because there you have a time sign. Left arrow, and it's set to 3 seconds. So left arrow, go down to off, and now accept it with the center, that OK sign. Now if I press the record button, now it's recording right away. It's not waiting 3 seconds before recording. But if it's doing it again and again, notice the 3 is here in the upper left corner again. Make sure you are not on the moon. Rotate it to, let's say, bird, and now it's automatically off. You can use the left arrow, and off 3 and 10 is also available.